we're going to be making these beautiful Mod Podge pencils. They're really lovely. They'd be great at beginning of the school year gift. These were made out of old dictionary pages. The ones we're going to make today is made out of an old map. Let me show you how you do that. So I had an old map. I cut out a piece. You want it to be the length of your pencil. So it's a bit long. This right there. So that's probably actually just fine, because then we can also sharpen it so that it gets exactly where you want it. So then I'm going to be using this side, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put Mod Podge here and then roll. So I'm using the glossy kind today, and I've poured it out on this piece of cardboard, and you're going to coat the map. It's that whole strip that you're going to use. Now we'll cut off the extra at the end. And all you do is you line it up where you want it, and you roll it onto the pencil. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then you're just going to overlap it a tiny bit. Like so. And then you're going to cut off all of that extra, and you can use that to make another pencil. Seal it on there. Then you're going to take more Mod Podge and put a really nice thick coat on top as well, and it will seal everything. So maybe this would be a really nice thing if you had a map from a vacation, something special. You could use a specific area. This is from my trip down south. We drove the entire Blue Ridge Parkway, and so this was one of the maps that I picked up just from a tourist area. And then also make sure you get the tip nice. And notice it's okay for it to be a little bit messy down here, because we're going to go ahead and sharpen the pencil at the end when everything dries to get a really perfect tip down there. Look how fun that is. So go ahead and let that dry for about an hour or so, and then you're going to sharpen it, the pencil, so that it comes even right here, and that's it. So once you've let this dry, you're going to go ahead and sharpen it. So you can see once you sharpen it, it'll automatically just go right with it. So you can do it with a map, dictionary pages, anything you'd like.